All right, so I just got done doing a test flight on the EMAX TINYHAWK FREESTYLE 2. I'm gonna tell you right now, and this is the first one I ever flew. This is the first FPV I ever flew. I'm fresh off the simulator. That thing fucking rips. Now, obviously, I tuned some of the, not the PIDs, but the rates. I got it off a guy, off of YouTube, you know. But his rates is official. I ain't gonna hold. That thing is locked. Like, I am very satisfied for how much this little system costs, like $250. Definitely a great beginner. The joint is official. So I got the other drone out here too. I got both of them. Whole little setup going, but it's not bad. I like it. I can't wait to get something bigger though. I got that itch to fly something bigger. So the build that I'm doing is a 250. It's a 250 sub, but it's like twice the size of that. So and that is up. But yeah, just want to do a quick video, let you guys know that this thing is definitely official. If you think about getting it, go get yourself one. Definitely worth the money for real. Fucking hot out here. All right, I'm out though. One thing, hold up, let me turn the air down. One thing I did want to record the flights, my first flights. I ain't know how to do it. So I'm gonna go to y'all. Like, if y'all know, if one of y'all know, if there's a way to do it with the EMAX transporter goggles, let me know. I don't know. I didn't even think or bother to look it up. But I was just an afterthought. I wish I would have had got that for y'all. Cause the shit was dope. I ain't gonna hold. The shit was really dope. But I'm gonna try to figure something out, and then the next one I do, I'll record it and post it up.